Dear students, let's see this question. These questions are comprehension based questions. So we will try to understand, then after we will try to solve the numericals. Clear? See here, he is saying that when a jet of liquid strikes a fixed or moving surface, it exerts a thrust on it due to the rate of change of momentum. F is equal to rho A V naught into V naught minus rho A V naught into V naught cos theta. So here the liquid is ejecting in this direction with some velocity V naught. When the liquid is entered in and it will hit the surface and some amount of the liquid is ejecting in this direction by making an angle theta. For this, what he is given? He is given the expression is F is equal to rho A V naught square 1 minus cos theta. So expression also he is given. So no need to think about how to solve, right? So we will see this one. If the surface is free, here the second case, surface is free and the diagram is this one, modified. He modified this one. So here the liquid is ejecting in this direction, entered in and it is ejecting in this direction. Here the liquid is entered in and again leaving out in this direction. Clear? So here then at any instant the above equation get modified based on the relative change of momentum with respect to the surface. At any instant the velocity of the surface is u. At any instant the velocity of the surface is given as u. Then above equation becomes this one. So initially the equation is given. It is the general expression. But when the liquid is hit and it will revert back and the cart is movable and he modified the equation. He modified the equation. How much it is? F is equal to rho A V naught minus u whole square into 1 minus cos theta. He is asking that based on the above concepts, find the following. Here 4 questions are given. So we will write one by one and we will try to understand one by one. So I hope you understood, right? Concept you understood, right? So this one is the concept. Based on the concept he is given this one. So based on this one we are going to solve some numericals. Clear? Clear? If you want to make a note, please make a note. See, first question is saying that initially at t is equal to 0, the force on the cart is, how much force is acting on the cart? We have to calculate. So now here, already he gave one equation, that equation I am going to consider here. See here, he is given that F is equal to rho A V naught minus u whole square into 1 minus cos theta. In this we will try to understand. Here V, the velocity of the jet or the velocity of liquid is constant, and u, the velocity of the cart, and again theta is the angle. So now in this situation, liquid is entered in and it is leaving out. So initially in this direction, velocity of the liquid, and after that, after hitting the surface, the velocity of the liquid is this one, opposite with each other. Then what is the angle? Theta is equal to 180 degrees. If theta is equal to 180, what about cos theta? Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So again I will modify. F is equal to rho A V naught minus u whole square into 1 minus 1. So here F is equal to rho A V naught minus u whole square into 2. And again he is asking that t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, initially cart is at rest. At t is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. And again the remaining values is given here. Area of cross section is given, velocity of jet is given, density of the liquid is given, mass of the cart is also given. So I will substitute here. So here F is equal to rho value 10 power 3. Area of cross section is 2 into 10 power minus 4. V naught is constant. How much it is? 10 minus, at t is equal to 0, the velocity of the cart is 0 whole square into 2. So again F is equal to 10 power 3 into 2 into 10 power minus 4. So here 10 minus 0, 10 whole square, that means 10 power 2 into 2 will get. If you modify, if you solve, you will get the answer. So here F is equal to, how much we will get? 2 into 2, 4 into here 10 power 3, 10 power 2, 10 power 5. 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 4. So I can write here, so F is equal to 4 into 10. So here I will write F is equal to 40 Newton will be the answer. F is equal to 40 Newton will be the answer. Option B is the right one. Am I clear? I hope you understood, right? So we will go through the second question. Meanwhile, try to understand line by line how to solve. This type of questions absolutely it will come in advanced point of view. Clear? So please go through line by line. We will go to the second question. See the second question. What he is asking? He is asking that the velocity of cart at t is equal to 10 seconds. At t is equal to 10 seconds. What will be the velocity of this cart? Why? Because initially, what is the velocity? Initial velocity is 0. So we have to find out the velocity at t is equal to 10 seconds. So again, we are going to use this one only. Why? Because based on this scenario, we know only one formula, that is F is equal to something is there. So we are going to take this value. So here I will write F is equal to rho A V naught minus U whole square, and we know this one 1 minus cos theta. So already we seen in the last question, right? Here cos theta means cos 180 will come, cos 180 minus will come, minus or minus plus will come. So the whole term becomes 2. So directly I am writing here into 2. So formula F is equal to rho, I will write 2 rho A into V naught minus U whole square. Clear? Now from this equation, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the velocity of the cart at t is equal to 10 seconds. So we know that F is equal to we'll write F is equal to ma. So I will write m du by dt. M du by dt. But because here v is constant, cart velocity is only in terms of u. That's why I wrote du by dt, which is equal to 2 rho A V naught minus U whole square. So now I am going to write here, see, I am going to change the modify the equation. So here du by this du, this term I will write here du by V naught minus U whole square, which is equal to 2 rho A upon this m is multiplying here, it will go denominator, and this dt is in denominator, it will go numerator. I hope you understood, right? I modify the equation. So now see here at t is equal to 0, velocity u is equal to 0. At t is equal to, he is asking that velocity of the car at t is equal to 10 seconds. At t is equal to 10 seconds, what will be the velocity? I will write here it is u only I will write. Why? Because I am not going to write with v. V is already given, right? So now you have to say what is the answer for this one? Integration of 1 by v naught minus u whole square. Integration. So integration value will be this one, right? V naught minus u whole power minus 1 will come. Why? Because x power n formula, x power minus 1, here x power n, dx is equal to integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it will go top minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1. So here it is x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So how much will you get? X power minus 1 by minus 1. So I will write minus 1 by x I will write. So here it is, directly you can write, directly I will write minus 1 by x value is nothing but v naught minus u. Clear? Again I will write here, again internally we have to do, internally minus 1 by v naught. Why? Because u is differentiating, right? So you get minus 1 by v naught, which is equal to 2 rho A by m into t. And here also we have to apply limits. Here also we have to apply limits. 0 to u. Here also we have to apply limit 0 to 10. But clear? So now I will erase here and I will write see here. Now we substitute here 1 by v naught minus u minus 1 by v naught, which is equal to 2 rho A by m into t. 1 by v naught minus u minus 1 by v naught, which is equal to 2 rho A by m into t. I am keeping this one as a basic equation. Why? Because in further numerical we are going to use the same word. So just I am writing here 1 by v naught minus u minus 1 by v naught, which is equal to 2 rho A by m into t. So now we will substitute the values. Here I will substitute here. See 1 by V naught minus U minus 1 by V naught, which is equal to 2 rho A by M into T. So substitute the values. 1 by V naught. V naught is nothing but here 10. 10 minus U minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 2 into rho value 10 power 3. Area 2 into 10 power minus 4 into T is 10 upon M is 10. So here we will cancel here. This 10 will go. And again here 10 power 3 is there, 10 power minus 4 is there. It will cancel. So minus 1 will come here. So here 1 by 10 minus U minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 4 by 10 will come. 4 by 10. So this minus 1 by 10 I will send here. So 1 by 10 minus U, which is equal to 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10. 4 by 10, 1 by 10 means how much you will get here? 5 by 10, which means 1 by 2 you will get. 1 by 2 you will get. So here 1 by 10 minus U is equal to 1 by 2. That implies 10 minus U is equal to 2. That implies, what is the value of U? U is equal to U this side and 2 this side. U is equal to 8 meter per second. U is equal to 8 meter per second, and this will be the answer. But here, the same given equation we are using, and based on the given equation, just we are integrating and we will get the answer. I hope you understood, right? So please make a note and we will go with the third question. See the third question. Third question, what is asking? He is asking that in the above problem, what is the meaning? At t is equal to 10 seconds. At t is equal to 10 seconds. And we know at t is equal to 10 seconds, the velocity of the cart is, how much it is? 8 v got. So u is equal to 8 v got. So at this instant, so in the above problem, what is the acceleration of the cart at this instant? At this instant, we have to calculate the acceleration of cart. So we know already force formula. We will substitute and we will try to find out the acceleration of the cart. See here, F is equal to rho A into V naught minus U is 8 whole square into 1 minus cos it, already we know it is 2. So in this situation, I will write F is equal to rho is given. Rho is already we know 2 into density. Density is 10 power 3. Area 2 into 10 power minus 4. And V naught already is given that it is 10 minus 8 whole square into 2. Right? We will try to find the value. F is equal to, here it is 2 and 2. Here 4 will come. 10 power 3, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 1 will come. Here it is 10 minus 8 means 2 square is 4 will come. So here F is equal to 16 into 10 power minus 1 Newton. But what he is asking? He is asking the acceleration of the cart. Acceleration, we know F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. F how much you got? 16 into 10 power minus 1. Upon mass of the cart is given 10 kg. So A is equal to 16 into 10 power minus 2, which is equal to 0.16 meter per second square. This will be the acceleration of the cart. I hope you are understanding, right? Clear? Please make a note. We will see the next question. See the fourth question. The time at which the velocity of the cart becomes 2 meter per second is equal to. He is asking that initially the cart is at rest, so force is acting, so cart is moving, right? It's a acceleration. So in the last question we seen that t is equal to 10 seconds, the velocity of the cart is 8. But now what he is asking that at what time the velocity becomes 2? What time the velocity becomes 2 meter per second? That's why I told you we will hold this equation, right? So based on this equation, we can solve easily. Again, this question also we have to integrate. Clear? No need. Directly we will hold this one. With this one, we will try to solve the question. So here, see here, 1 by V naught minus U, which is minus 1 by V naught, which is equal to 2 rho A by M into T. He's asking the time. He's asking. So velocity is how much? 2 meter per second. That means U is equal to given 2. So I will substitute 1 by V naught is 10. We know minus u is given, u is 2, minus 1 by v naught is 10, which is equal to 2 into density 10 power 3, and area of cross section 2 into 10 power minus 4 upon mass is 10 into t. So we will solve this equation and we will get the value of t. See here. So here 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to here 4 and 10 power 3, 10 power minus 4. So 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1, this one will go. So 10 power minus 2 will be there, and into t. So this one will be, I will do generally cross multiplication here. So 10 minus 8 by 80, which is equal to 4 by 100 into t. So here it is 2 by 80, which is equal to 4 by 100 into t. So 1 0 here, 1 0 here cancel. So how much will you get? 2 by 8, which is equal to 4 by 10 into t. So he's asking t value. T means we can write here. Again, if you want, you can do 2. 2 sir will cancel. 2 4 sir, 2 5 sir. So here 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 5 into t. So we can write t is equal to 5 by 8 second. T is equal to 5 by 8 second. But answers are given in points and that values are given. So we will see here. T is equal to 5 by 8. So t is equal to 0.5 by 8 means how much will you get? See this one, 5 upon 8 can be written as 0.4 seconds. I think option D will be the correct. 0.4 seconds it is. Option D is correct. So please make a note. We will go with the last numerical based on this topic. See this question. The last question based on this concept is saying that the power supplied to the cart when its velocity becomes 5 meters per second. That means when its velocity is 5 meters per second, when the cart velocity is 5 meters per second, he is asking how much power we are supplied. So we know power formula. Power P is equal to FV. Power P is equal to F into V. So F is already given. So we write power can be written as. So first we will write power P is equal to F. How much it is? Rho A V naught minus U whole square. 1 minus cos theta. I will write directly 2 into it is V. Velocity of the cart. Velocity of the cart is U. I hope you understood, right? This V is velocity of the cart. Velocity of the cart is U. Why? Because here I am taking it is U. So we will write here P is equal to rho. I will substitute the values. 10 power 3 area 2 into 10 power minus 4. V naught is given as 10 minus U is 5. U is 5 is given whole square into 2 into U is 5. So here P is equal to 10 power 3. I will write here 2 into 10 power minus 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 square is 25. So here 25 into 2 5s are 10. So we let power P is equal to this one will go 25 into 2, 25 into 2, 50. 50 watt. So option C is the right one. See, this comprehensive based questions, advanced point of view, very important. And again, everything is given, but line by line we have to solve. I hope you understood, right? Thank you.